beautiful day to go out on a nice cruise, guys. Got the sun going, nice sunset action. About to go pick up a coffee. Then we're gonna get some flames in for you guys. Can't wait. It's a beautiful day to go light up the roads with fire. If you know what I mean. Holy fuck, I'm blind. I can't see shit. Getting it going, guys. You already know. We're doing this shit for real. Gonna pull on the highway, see how hot we could get the car. Gotta warm her up a little bit before we could get some actual flames going. But looking good so far. Most definitely. Not sure why it's not doing the flames though. I don't know if the map actually selected. I might have went in the economy map, not exactly sure. Maybe I'm gonna pull over, find out real quick. Not exactly sure what I did. Should be in map 1 though. So map 1 is usually my flame map. Or maybe it's number 2, that's my flame map plus the performance, not exactly sure. And we got a little friend over here. The GTR. A boy in the GTR. The GTR. This is the guy I saw at the car show. Sick ass car. That's sick as fuck. Sick! This guy's going crazy. Got some flame action going, boys. Alright everybody, we're on our way to the meet right now. As I promised you, we're gonna have to get some flame action going. Gotta get the exhaust warmed up first. Got the camera turned on. Got some little baby flames. There you go. Oh, shit. Get her going, boys. There you go, a crazy one. I wonder how that looks from the outside. Probably looks so fucking crazy. That should probably look so fucking crazy from the outside. Yo, Yo guys, we came to this random pop-up meet. Got some crazy ass kitties. This one got some underglow. Sick ass cars. Look at this Tesla over here. This Tesla's fucking crazy, guys. Slammed on bags. Got another one. Got a Porsche. This one's completely slammed to the ground. Got the doggy inside too. Crazy ass meat, guys. Got a really nice R8 here. Sick ass meat. Guys, look at this little thing, man. Slammed to the ground. Got a little wide body kit. Sick. S15? That looks fucking sick, guys. I love the green. Look at this BRZ, guys. What the fuck? What is going on? What is going on, guys? R32? Looks sick. We saw one of these yesterday at the Lamborghini meet. Sick ass fool. Under the engine? Sick shit. The boys leaving? Got the boys leaving? What is that, E30? E30 BMW? Shit. This woman really slammed a Volkswagen Touareg? What the fuck is that, bro? The fuck is that, bro? Oh, this is what I like. Sucks it's not an M3 though. What the fuck? That's pretty sick. That's pretty sick. That is a lot of power. What the fuck is this? Look at this wrap, guys. Wild. Motherfuckers are wild. Little STI Subaru. Everybody's pulling out right now. Everybody's pulling out right now. Oh, we got this boy coming in. Damn! Static GTR! That's just sick. Liberty Walk. That's sick as fuck. Damn! What the fuck is wrong with this shit, bro? That's the guy we saw. Someone take their license, help. They gotta go. Okay, let's go to the GTR. About to go to the GTRs, guys. Gotta chase them down. Gotta do this shit. Dream car. Dream car for real. Got the Liberty Walk GTR, guys. Looking fucking sick, looking so clean. I don't know how I feel about those purple wheels though. They look fucking sick. Wide body. Looks super clean. Super aggressive front end in the matte black too. It just looks mean. Looks like some like Knight Rider stealth mode. Looks fucking sick.